Alright, I'd like to share with you guys my turbo noise. Now I'd like to share with you what I think it might be. You can see here there's exhaust. You'll see black residue around the area. This is where the intake manifold is. And if I spray soapy water on it, online people are saying that what's happening is the exhaust is getting out and it can sometimes play the gasket as a reed. My symptoms of the turbo, other than a noise, is potentially a little hot underneath the engine compartment, potentially a little less power. It's hard for me to know until I do a repair on it, as well as the turbo noise will eventually go away if the motor is really hot, and maybe it's because things expand and seal it up tight. So wish me luck. I'm going to try to fix those bolts. Potentially my intake manifold could be warped. I can get it resurfaced for about 110 bucks Canadian in Calgary, but I might be able to just replace the gasket or tighten up those bolts. It's a high chance that they're going to snap on you, so that's just a heads up. If you do that job, you may want to look into that. Alright, take care.